Don't forget to share this video with the people you care about. Many still don't know that something as simple as broccoli can be a true ally against cancer and other serious illnesses. By sharing, you are not only helping friends and family, but also creating a ripple of health and well-being that can positively impact your entire community. Every share is an opportunity to save lives and inspire healthier choices. We want you to be part of our community of conscious individuals who value health and prevention, and who strive to live with more energy, vitality, and quality of life. On this channel, you'll find complete videos about superfoods, daily habits, exercises, healthy recipes, instant immunity tips, and much more. Everything is designed to give you the most reliable and actionable information for your daily life. And there's more. By commenting on our videos, you create a direct connection with us and other viewers. You can ask questions, share experiences, and even suggest new topics for upcoming content. Here, every opinion matters, and every interaction strengthens our mission to spread health and well-being. So don't wait any longer. Click subscribe now, turn on the notification bell, share this video with friends and family, and start transforming your life naturally and practically. Remember, small actions today can generate huge results tomorrow. Every broccoli floret, every healthy habit, and every conscious choice matters, and we will be here to guide you every step of the way. Welcome to our community, where health is a priority, and knowledge is the greatest weapon for living with quality, energy, and longevity. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with even more incredible tips to boost your immunity, prevent diseases, and live life to the fullest. Subscribe, share, and let's embark on this healthy transformation journey together.